First Aid Trakker makes route sales so simple, almost anyone can run the route. It plans the stops, gives turn-by-turn directions, tells them where the cabinets are, what goes into each cabinet, and builds the invoice automatically, including special pricing. Reps just tap what they deliver, get a signature, and move on. No calls to the office, no paperwork, no confusion. One company avoided hiring new staff and didn't even replace someone who retired. That's real savings. Most first aid route businesses lose hours every week, not just on the road, but behind the scenes. Our clients have told us that their reps often spent 1 to 2 hours per week figuring out who to visit and when. When they started working with us, we simply loaded their customers and their reps and turned on AI smart routing, and poof, those days were gone. It immediately started routing all of their reps for them, saving them hours of prep work each week. As a bonus, they also report saving on gas and their reps having more time to grow their customer base. More time selling, fewer expenses, more time to prospect, a smoother, smarter business. Take a look around our site, firstaidtrakker.com, to learn all the ways we help first aid route sales businesses grow.